In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to resize an image in Photoshop using the most common and reliable method. Whether you're resizing photos for social media, printing, your website, or client work, knowing how to properly adjust image size without ruining quality is an essential skill. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along, even if you're a complete beginner. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Once Photoshop is open, click on File in the top left corner, then click Open and choose the image you want to resize from your computer. Select your image and click Open. Your image will now appear inside the Photoshop workspace. Now that your image is open, go to the top menu and click on Image. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Image Size. This is the most common and precise way to resize an image in Photoshop, and it gives you full control over dimensions, resolution, and overall file size. As soon as you click Image Size, a new window will pop up. Inside this window, you'll see several important settings, including width, height, and resolution. At the top, you'll also see the current dimensions of your image along with the file size. This preview area is helpful because it shows you exactly how your changes will affect the final image. Let's start with width and height. These control the physical dimensions of your image. You can adjust these values to anything you need. For example, if you're resizing for Instagram, you might enter 1080 pixels for the width. If you're creating a YouTube thumbnail, you might type 1280 by 720 pixels. If you're resizing for a website banner or client project, you can enter completely custom dimensions. Before you change anything, look for the small chain icon located between the width and height fields. This icon is extremely important. When the chain icon is enabled, it maintains the proportions of your image. That means when you change the width, the height will automatically adjust to match. This prevents your image from looking stretched, distorted, or squished. Make sure that chain icon is turned on. If it's not linked, simply click it to enable proportional scaling. Keeping this enabled ensures your image keeps its original shape and looks professional. Now go ahead and change either the width or the height to your desired size. As soon as you enter a new value, you'll notice that the other field automatically updates. That's exactly what we want. This means Photoshop is resizing the image proportionally. Next, let's talk about resolution. Resolution is especially important if you're preparing an image for print. For high-quality printing, you typically want the resolution set to 300 pixels per inch. This ensures your image prints sharp and detailed. For web use, 72 pixels per inch is standard and helps keep file sizes smaller, which is better for websites and faster loading speeds. If you're only uploading to social media or a website, you usually don't need a very high resolution. Also, make sure that the unit of measurement is set correctly. You can choose between pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, and more. For digital use like social media, YouTube, or websites, pixels are usually the best option. For print projects, inches or centimeters combined with 300 resolution is often preferred. At the bottom of the image size window, you'll see an option called Resample. When Resample is checked, Photoshop will add or remove pixels when you resize the image. This is necessary when significantly increasing or decreasing dimensions. For most resizing tasks, you'll want to leave Resample turned on and keep the default resampling method, which typically works perfectly fine and maintains good quality. If you are reducing the size of an image, Photoshop will remove extra pixels. If you are increasing the size, Photoshop will create new pixels to fill in the gaps. Just keep in mind that enlarging an image too much can reduce quality, so it's always best to start with the highest resolution image possible. Once you've entered your desired width, height, and resolution, confirm that the chain icon is enabled and check that Resample is set correctly. Simply click OK. And that's it. Your image has now been resized. If you want to save your resized image, click File, then choose Save As. Select your preferred format, such as JPEG for smaller file sizes or PNG for higher quality with transparency support. Choose your save location, rename your file if needed, and click Save. If you're saving as a JPEG, you'll also be able to adjust the quality slider. Higher quality means a larger file size, so choose the setting that works best for your needs. Resizing images properly helps maintain quality and ensures your content looks professional across different platforms. Whether you're designing graphics, uploading to social media, sending images to clients, or preparing files for print, using the image size tool gives you complete control. Now you know the fastest and reliable way to resize an image in Photoshop using the image size feature. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.